This is the summary created from the video. Mobile Cloud Computing II. Mobile devices often lack the computing power required for complex applications, but cloud computing offers a solution by allowing these devices to offload resource-intensive tasks, albeit with challenges like delays, reliability, and security concerns. Mobile cloud computing enables small devices to access large applications and centralize data, promoting seamless sharing and interoperability between devices, a concept known as the Internet of Things. It optimizes energy usage by dynamically partitioning applications for local or remote execution, employing a profiler and solver to determine the optimal app partition. The mobile cloud computing architecture utilizes a client-server model for synchronization and data transfer, supporting transparent thread migration between devices using distributed shared memory. Data traffic is optimized by transferring only the modified portions of the memory heap. Partitioning program execution on heterogeneous resources like mobile devices and the cloud is a challenging task, involving the optimization of energy consumption, execution time, and other constraints. Static partitioning determines offloading at launch, while dynamic partitioning adapts to varying conditions. Determining which code portions to offload for optimal energy savings is critical, considering the communication challenges faced by mobile devices. Cloudlets, which are trusted, resource-rich computers or clusters located near mobile devices, can reduce latency via single-hop communication and lower battery usage. The cloudlet architecture consists of mobile devices, cloudlets, and remote cloud, with the cloudlet acting as a middle tier between mobile devices and the cloud. By breaking down the energy consumption of a mobile device into computing idle and transmitting costs, it is possible to derive a formula for potential energy savings by offloading computation to a cloud server. Decision models based on computational and communication costs, using profiling, cost graphs, and branch-bound algorithms, can optimize program partitioning for offloading, minimizing energy consumption and data usage while preserving latency and addressing other constraints. These models must consider the heterogeneity of wireless networks and offload system components in a holistic manner. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.